Guys, have you taken this kind of drink that helps to build your body in out, that helps your skin greater? Guys, we are not making a health claims, but for the disclaimers, we go with the experience we had based on we've been taking it and it has been bettering us. So, what kind of juice are we making? What kind of juice are we making, guys? This watermelon kind of juice. When you feel like taking watermelon freshly, you are tired of that, guys, make it juicy. So I just want to keep introducing many juice to go about doing. But before then, guys, watch this nature. Guys, sometimes take a workout, refresh your body. Guys, taking a workout can also build your body health wise and refresh you. So that's very, very important. So before we dive into this, if you've never subscribed to my YouTube channel and you are still contemplating should I or shouldn't I, please kindly ASAP go and subscribe and turn on your notification whenever you like what we are doing. If you like what we are doing, thank you. Okay, let's proceed. So what did we have to make as a juice? Guys, when you search for many things to use as your juice, especially in this summer period, you see nothing. It's not only in summer period. We are not recommending to take juice only on summer period. But why we specifically mentioning summer is because that's when we needed as in fruit drinks, because we feel like it helps to refresh our body when heat is overwhelmed. So guys, I search for the food to use. I say, you know what, which fruit comes watering? Guys, I noticed that watermelons comes in 90% or 95% water. So that's why I picked watermelon. So there are other fruits and veggies that come in 90% water. We're gonna mention it some other time. So guys, what I did to cut my watermelon, guys, peel the back, remove the back, then cut it in a smaller pieces. So what else did I combine with the watermelon? I feel like, I can't just make watermelon like that. Which other thing to attach on it, guys? I noticed that beetroot is also good. It helps you to build your body. It helps for your digestion and it's very, very good on our body. So I try picking like few beetroot to combine it with my watermelon. So when I do, I slice and cut them into pieces, then transfer to my blender. So what else will we add? I should show you that these are the most easiest juice you can make to yourself instead of going out there breaking your banks all the time in terms of buying expensive juice, buying expensive drinks. Guys, these are healthy ways to go about, and these one are more healthier because you know the kind of healthy fruits you use to make your juice. We are not saying the other ones out there are not good. Me, I buy sometimes, but I don't focus buying always because if I'm doing it, I'll be breaking my bank. I have other things to use my money to do. So that's the secret I'm giving you. So when you try making it yourself, you bettered yourself. It will help to save your money and also save your time. That time we used to be going out there always buying, buying, buying. You save it. So when you feel hungry or you feel thirsty in terms of taking juice, you can just go and do it yourself. So that's why we need to be learning all those things every day. Guys, learning good things every day is very, very important. So guys, watch us blend this. So guys, kindly buy a good blender for your juice. That's why I say buying kitchen appliances can appreciate your kitchen, not only your kitchen, to yourself as well. Why? Because it's gonna help you make things so very easy. The The things you go that can take you 1 hour can take you like 30 minutes or 15 minutes. So that's why all these appliances matters a lot. So finish, blending these. We just want to strain them. Guys, look at how reddish this looks. Guys, as you are looking at this color, you already know what this can do on your body whenever you take it. So as like what we said, we are not making a health claims for the disclaimers. Fruits is very, very good. It's scientifically proved that we need to be taking many varieties of fruits and veggies each day. Despite that, we are not completing it, but only what is left for us to do is for us to give them a try. Make sure we take little quantity every day. So it's not once we completed it totally, but when we keep taking them small portion every day, I think we've already bettered ourselves and we put the rest in the hands of God. Okay, guys, we finished training it. The next thing to do is to pour on our jug, from jug to our can. And make sure you have all these jugs and what is the other one called, so that it can go easy for you. Your juice will not be pulling away anyhow. So that's why having the jugs and this thing is very, very good. So guys, look at the outcome of our juice. This does not take us like 2 minutes probably. Guys, are you a stay-at-home mom? Are you a busy mom? Do you have a large family? Guys, this juice is for you. It's true that I make it in a small quantity, but if you have a larger family, you can make it in a bigger portion and stock in the fridge and be taking it with your family. So more let's watch the lake more. Guys, I feel like if you didn't watch it for the first place, kindly watch it here. If you didn't watch it at the first place, kindly watch it here. Guys, this way I usually go to refresh my body when I feel so hot. So guys, this is the final look of our juice. Like as I said, use pineapple and make juice for yourself. Guys, I didn't just use only pineapple, I used pineapple and watermelon and beetroot. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and give it